Hello everyone, it's pyGuru this side, and today in this tutorial we are going to check if we can hack into an admin panel from scratch. Okay, so what I was doing was I was currently searching for some docs, and I asked DeepSeek to help me generate certain docs. I'm not actually very good with docs. Like, see, I typed it in like this in title by grocery and in text SMTP. Basically, I was searching for some SMTP email and passwords, but it wasn't working, not giving proper or results. So I asked DeepSeek to suggest me similar docs, and it gave me one like a file type log and SM with certain keywords like SMTP error and password. Then next step I did is I opened or searched the same thing in Firefox. Okay, so it's the I search the same thing and I then start opening these pages one by one. So this first one has nothing. I got this SFTP host and port, but not the username and password. Then I checked for second one, it has certain error and nothing else. Then this third one, okay. So this is some cool thing, and what I want to do is I will try to hack into this site. Okay, so let's go back and open it in new tab. We got a page like this. Okay, so basically this is a log file. And what is a log file? If you are a developer, generally you create a file so that if any error is occurring or if something is happening on your application or website, you are writing it to a file so that in case of any error, you can read this file and try to figure out where the error happened. So you can see these things are written here, like testing connectivity to database at this point. Okay, so this is database and this thing and multiple things, database credential, fast, basic tests, activating regex based dictionary service, and blah blah blah. A bunch of stuffs are happening here. What if we scroll down a little, it is something like this. No resource classes skip JXRS server recreation, and again blah 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 blah. You can see these are URL endpoints. Okay, so what I want to do is there's one this admin/UI. So let's do one thing. First copy till here, from here, this base URL, and then paste this thing /admin/UI, and we can for now remove the star. And let's just run it or hit enter. So it's okay. So when you will do it first time, a page will appear like this with this thing automatically filled like admin and this thing. I don't know the password. Actually, last time also I didn't check what was the password. So I want to know the password in case if I want to change it. I'll go to inspect tab and then inspect queue, and then here type equals password if we make it text. So here the username is admin and password is opencast. Okay. Now again, I didn't know the password first time as well, and I'm just checking it right now. So this is the username and opencast the password. So let's try to log in. It was automatically filled. I did nothing. So it will open a dashboard. Let's wait for it. So this page has opened. Okay, on the index.html, this page has opened. Now it is something which I don't know what actually is. Basically, it says that these are events. Okay, so about open cost, presenter is this person or blah blah. It starts at this time, stops at this time, published, yes, finished. So if you want to do something like delete event, open video editor, open asset details, or maybe if you want to download it, you can do it from here. You can add an event here. Then there is a main menu, recordings, capture, systems, and let's see what system has. Basically nothing. Organization. It has 3-person, administrator, admin, capture agent is this thing, system user is this account. So he has role admin and role or auth user, opencast, one capture agent roles, one role sudos. So if you want to edit it, maybe you can add certain. This is table view only. Okay. So groups. Let's check. Opencast project system administrators description, and this is something open group details. If we do roles are these. Basically, you can use this. You can know this person has this much authority. Okay. So if you want, you can add an user maybe if you want. Yeah, this is the admin page. You can log in into it, but I don't think there's an option to edit his password here. So let's try some other page. We go back to here. You can see there are further more endpoints. So this one we tried. This one looks good. List docs. Maybe we can get the API endpoint. Yes, it's working. See guys, I'm exploring along with you, so I actually don't know what we are going to get here or not. And we try it out. Get API information. This is actually, I guess, is the basic API. Get organization information. You can try executing all of this one by one and see what is everything here. Anonymous role, name, opencast project, role admin, ID is MS default tog. We are getting this response code. So info with user information. So the email is not mentioned, but again the provider is this, name is this. This is using what we logged in here. Okay, so I guess the provider key is the password, maybe IDK. So you can get other things as well here, like events, which I'm not interested in. External API events, not interested. Runtime information, not interested. Information about the current user. Let's see what's here. Okay, so something is here. Role admin ID is this, properties is this, and these are his roles. The role is role user admin. Okay, so nothing special again. But yeah, still, like these, you can find something cool on any other website. Okay, using which you can maybe able to hack if you want, if you are interested. But I would advise not to do that, since it's completely illegal what we are doing, and it's not a good idea as well. Okay. So all these are events and series. I actually don't know what things these are. Okay, so let's leave this here. And anything else here, cool or not? What I was searching for is actually SMTP. Let me just search if I'm able to get SMTP services in test mode. Mail service configured with this. Mail from this. Nope, we won't be able to get anything here. Okay, so no username and password. Anyways, try to read out the full log and maybe you get something cool which help you to do something else. Which for now, let's leave it here. Okay. Thank you.